Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Welcome to Taste Prep. We have new episode every Monday, so please check back on us. Today we're making Japanese style spaghetti dish called Napolitan. It's one bowl, very easy to clean up and easy to make. This is what you need for making Japanese style spaghetti Napolitan. This is for serving for two. You will need 1 cup of green peppers, 1 onion sliced in lengthwise, 1 cup of mushrooms of your choice. I'm using shiitake mushroom today. 1 minced clove of garlic, 1 slice of bacon cut in small pieces, or you can substitute 1 tablespoon of cooking oil of your choice. Half cup of sausages of your choice. I'm using Japanese sausage today. 2 serving size of pasta of your choice. 2.5 cup of water. Half cup of ketchup. 1 frozen tomato, washed and peeled, or 1 fresh diced tomato. 2 teaspoons of soup bouillon of your choice. Salt and pepper as needed. Okay, so first we're going to put bacon and chopped garlic into the bowl, and then I'll turn the heat on. I'm going to keep the heat low so that I don't burn the bacon and the garlic. And I'll add sausages once the bacon is done, so we'll be back shortly. So it's been about 3 minutes. I'm continuing to stir the bacon and garlic, so you will see the bacon and garlic browning. I'm going to add these sausages. And of course, if you didn't want to use the bacon, you can add just 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any oil of your choice and cook the garlic with that oil. And the sausages of your choice, add it onto this. I'm going to add the vegetables. Going to add onion and mushroom. I'm using the shiitake mushroom. Shiitake mushroom looks like this. So I just cut them lengthwise, cut the bottom also, and I chop them like into small pieces, just like that. Okay, everything goes in here. Continue to stir fry. And we'll be back shortly. Okay, now it looks like the onions and mushrooms are cooking well. I'm going to add green peppers now. And this is the Japanese size Japanese green peppers. They're smaller, so I'm using 2 of them, but you could use any green peppers that you can find. And then now I'm going to add this frozen tomato. I usually freeze the tomatoes in the freezer, put it in a Ziploc, and then once I'm ready to use them, I just running in the cold water, and then it peels off very quickly. So all I have to do is just add it in here, like that. And then of course, you will need to push them, mash them, but it's so easy to do. If you don't have the frozen tomato available, you can just use the fresh tomato, dice them up and add it onto it. So it adds additional flavor, that umami from the tomato, and it will taste really good. Okay, then we'll be back shortly. Okay, now the tomato is still frozen, but I'm going to start adding water and into this, then ketchup, ½ cup, and the bouillon. Okay, then I'm going to put a lid on and wait until the water boils. Then we're going to add a pasta. Now I use those spaghetti measure to measure the portion, but if you like to just eyeball it, that's fine too. And then you want to use your hands to cut them in half, just like that. And then wait until the water starts boiling, then we're going to add the pasta into it. Okay? Now this water started boiling, and I use my cooking utensil to just kind of break down the tomatoes. They're breaking it very easily now. It's melting, and using this utensil, it's easy to break off. I'm adding the pasta now into this bowl. So like I said, this is a 1 bowl, easy pasta dish. Make sure they absorb all the water. So you would check back like every 3 minutes or so until the pasta is ready. According to your package, you make sure you read that how long it takes to cook the pasta. Mine is 11 minutes, so I'm going to continue to check on my pasta, but I'm going to put the lid for now. Okay, now after 11 minutes of cooking time, I check on the pasta, and it was slightly undone, which is al dente. So I cooked 3 more minutes so that the pasta is perfectly done. And I'm going to put this on the plate. It's really good. Okay, let me clean up a little bit. Okay. Then the Parmesan cheese, if you like them, on top. And while the pasta was cooking, I used my own pesto sauce and made crostini, basil sauce, toasted bread. So I'm going to be adding this recipe to our new episode in a couple weeks. So here is how to make spaghetti, Japanese style spaghetti Napolitan. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time. さよなら。